What's up, vets? We're here in New Orleans, Louisiana at the VETS Conference 2026 with Dusty Lopez, the CEO of Struction Solutions, Marine Corps veteran, and having some incredible success out here with some of the Blus Listed UAS. Dusty, you want to tell us more about your company?
Yeah, I'm Dusty Lopez. Like I said, started Struction Solutions back in 2019. We started off as the claims adjusting, property adjusting, inspections. Now we dwarfed into federal contracting, state contracts. We do a lot of work with prime contractors, so we're sub on a lot of the state work that we do. And then with the federal work, we just landed our first two federal contracts this past year. Utilizing the drone to my right here, the Skydio X10. It's on the blue list, right? So we're using it for inspections, digital twins, photogrammetry. It's doing the mapping of different VA facilities and stuff like that. So had some really good success. This here in front of us is the Hoverfly Spectre drone. It's on the blue. It's the big brother's on the blue list, the Spectre. But this one here is basically for overwatch and security. It's good. It's a tethered drone, so it can stay in the air unlimited. So yeah.
Awesome. So what are the use cases for this one, the Hoverfly here?
So for this case here, you're going to have different events. So you got an outdoor event. This drone here, battery life 40 minutes or so, depending on weather. This here can stay in the air the entire day. So if it's an 8-hour, 12-hour event, it stays in the air, complete overwatch. You can see almost a mile, 2 miles out. Different cameras. We have the Raptor camera on here right now. It has tracking ability, so you can actually. So if you can see something about a mile away, it could be a vehicle, it could be a person of interest. It's actually going to track that. And then it actually is going to give you the lat and long of where that person or the item that you want to track is located from where you are. So it's really good for first responders, police departments, anything like that. Work well with disaster recovery. It's also designed to be mounted into a vehicle, can drive 5 to 10 miles an hour at any time, and then the drone will actually follow it. So. Yeah, and it goes up 200 feet in the air. So,
wow, that's incredible. Do you have any advice for other veterans that want to get into government contracting?
Yes, just take your time. So, getting into a government contract, it didn't come all at one, right? I've been coming to this conference for 3 years now. The first year we didn't exhibit, met some really good people, got to talking. I was just a veteran-owned small business at the time, so we're just in the last year. One of the big things is, especially with veterans, is we all think about service disconnected disability, right? I said I never wanted to go through the process. I was fine and all this stuff. My biggest thing is if you think you can get a rating, get the rating, because you deserve it, right? There's a lot of veterans that just say, hey, we're not going to do that. But the SD-VUSB rating actually helps you, especially with your business. So that's one of the things that changed. So this is my 3rd year now doing this conference, and one of the best ROIs that we've had, especially with this conference, that I've had out of any other conference we go to. Especially with this conference, a lot of the veterans that are here, they're all here to help each other. So we all get along, what we can do to help each other. And but when I go to other conferences, it's all about competition, fighting over different things and stuff. So yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. Well, Dusty, this is great. It's wonderful to see the amount of growth you've had in your business, and I really appreciate you taking the time to share your experience with us.
No, I appreciate you taking the time, and the business is still going, so it's a slow pace. So it's like it's not a sprint, right? It's a marathon. So take your time, build slow, right? Get to it. And things will come, right? So
awesome. Thank you, Dusty.
Yeah, thanks.
All right.